everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we got something very unique and very special. A lot of people know that the Chrysler brand is in a transition phase right now, but back in the 1980s, Chrysler was coming off of almost bankruptcy. They got that federal guaranteed loan. Lee Iacocca was operating the whole, company as a CEO, and things were changing quickly and rapidly, okay? So one of the things that really Chrysler was focusing on was how it would treat its customers. And if you owned a Chrysler, Dodge, or Plymouth vehicle, they wanted to make sure that you had the best experience possible. So I love vintage Chrysler stuff. And I was on eBay and I was searching for something for my dad for Christmas. However, I found something for myself, so I had to buy it. But this is what they called their VIP key program. And if you bought a Chrysler, Plymouth, or Dodge, you would get this. And what it is a special key fob, like an actual keychain. And if you lost your keys, you could throw it in any mailbox. It's like somebody would find them, they'd throw them in a mailbox. This is obviously before the internet, so this was a big thing. They would keep your information on hand. And basically, if somebody found your keys and they had a key fob on it, they would throw it in the mail. And the postage was guaranteed to be sent to Chrysler, where they would find out who you were and send you your keys. You got to love the days before the internet. But this right here is what it is, what you got from the dealer. It's never been opened. I mean, obviously the bubble wrap's protecting it, but the actual thing has never been opened. It's never been used. So let's take a look at this, because I know what it looks like. I remember my grandparents had one of these, but I wanted to go through and open it with you guys, kind of like a Christmas kind of deal, and show you what Lee Iacocca was doing to promote the brands going even back to the early 80s. So as we can see here, this was for obviously a Jeep or Eagle brand product. Right here it says Bill McCracken in Pleasant Hills, Pennsylvania. Now, mind you, this is brand new. Here you can see the cards here. If you look, it says Rochester, Michigan for a P.O. box for VIP headquarters. But this has never been opened. So this is the original plastic. Here's the cards, and you can tell it looks weathered, but it's not. So here's what you do. This is the VIP Delivery System. It says, Dear owner, as a special service, Chrysler Corporation has created a new system which promotes the return of lost keys. Simply fill out this card with your name, address, and fob number located on the back of your fob medallion and mail. Your key fob will then be registered into the system through a computer. Should your set of keys be lost, anyone finding them can simply drop them into any U.S. postal box. They will be returned to you, postage paid. So that's what you did. You put your stuff in there, your vehicle identification numbers, and then your vehicle delivery date, all that stuff. What numbers of the key fobs that you had? They call them key fobs. Obviously, they're not key fobs like we know today, but they're medallions. They're just keychains. But kind of a neat thing. And then they even give you a card here. It says, Thank you for choosing Chrysler Corporation. In the event that you need a new set of keys for your vehicle, use this identification card to order keys from your dealer. So you got to remember, this is the 1980s. This is 10 years before most people even had the internet. And this was considered high tech back then. So it's kind of neat in a way where we get, like I said, this little flap thing. You got to love the Velcro, 80s Velcro. And here we go. So right here, your dealer would put in their sales cards. Obviously, you would put, who your salesperson's card in there. And then you would put like your service manager's card in here. And then it says VIP system. It doesn't have anything on the back, but you have these keychains in here and they've never been removed. So that's kind of cool. So you got a black one kind of distinguish the keys from each other, and then like a tan, keychain too. But anyways, the medallions obviously have the Pentastar on them. And if you look, there's a number back behind here. So this number is your identification number. You would register that with what kind of vehicle you have in your name, and that's how they would find you, is this number on the back of the medallion. This one has one too. They're different numbers. So obviously they would put that in their files. Let me show you. They would put that in their files to find you. You can see this one's kind of tarnished just from aging process. It's kind of tarnished. This one's not as bad, believe it or not. See, this one's still pretty in good shape, but this black fob, Even the even the fob around it looks like it's been used, but it hasn't. So, and then what happens is on the back here, you can see it says drop in Mailbox VIP Delivery System. Gives you a post office box, 5181 Warren, Michigan. And then it gives you the zip, and then it says return postage guaranteed. So again, this one, it's never been used, but you can see that it's been kind of tarnished. But nonetheless, very cool. It's just something unique that Chrysler did. Like I said, back then, Chrysler was all about, like, Lee Iacocca was super big into making sure that people got a huge customer experience out of the brands. Like, it was all about, you know, word of mouth and to let you know that Chrysler was there for you. Something that I really wish Chrysler would actually kind of do in today's world. It seems like we get like these little care packages, like when I bought my 300, they sent me some stickers, you know, and stuff like that. But it wasn't like, it was kind of nice seeing like a computerized thing where it said my name on it. But this kind of stuff is like, makes it feel like the dealer's connected to you, not just like, oh, here's the thing that we printed out. It feels a little more like custom and a little more upscale compared to even today's stuff that's more customized because of computers. So again, here's the cards that would come with it. And then I thought there was something, I thought there was a letter from Iacocca in here. No, it's just here. It's just in the back. It says, thank you for choosing Chrysler Corporation. We don't want to be the biggest, just the best. Lee Iacocca. So how cool is that? And that's the thing. Look at Iacocca. We don't want to be the biggest, just the best. And that's one thing I always loved about Chrysler is it's their underdog story, you know. They've always not been the biggest automaker, but at the time, they're always the innovative company. And this was totally innovative for the time. So kind of a cool thing to add to the collection. I know there's more on eBay, but I found this one not that badly priced. I think I paid $25 for this one. I've seen some that were like 50, which is nuts. But I tried to buy the medallion key fobs themselves, and each one was like 25 to $35. That's what people are selling them for because they're like a high collector thing. So, and of course you can't register it now because none of those post office boxes exist anymore. So you're kind of out of luck trying to get your keys back if you put them in a mailbox. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the short little video. We got some more little unique videos coming up for the Christmas time, you know, period. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.